Hare Krishna. Welcome back to the Krishna Conscious Corner, and welcome back to another vlog. This is a vlog about our Sunday school field trip in ISKCON, Philadelphia. Right now it's 7:39 in the morning, and we're going to the temple where the bus will pick us up. So we'll see you at the bus, or actually maybe in the temple.
Titled this book Shah Jahan, but I see that in this book it's actually all about Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb grows up, Aurangzeb kills his brothers, he locks up the king and does this. It's all the activities of Aurangzeb. So Aurangzeb is actually the because the book is all full of the activities of Aurangzeb. And Mr. Roy responded, he says, no, you don't understand.
Hare Krishna, we're boarded in the bus. We're in the bus. All the way in the back. You see this one? This is Krishna. That's Veena. And that's Mridanga. And that's Prashanta. Grab more.
Hare Krishna. This is Mukund, as you know, and yeah, we are in the middle of the bus ride, and here's my friend Dhruv, who's very shy. Do you have anything to say? Okay. See you in New York.
We started, so we're like rolling, and then I'm just eating some khichdi, and she's at 76%, and I'm at 87%, so hopefully we last the entire day, because I gotta vlog. Yeah.
Why are you recording me?
I'm vlogging. I'm showing everybody what you guys are doing.
Hey guys!
Keshav, you want to say something to the vlog? You want to say something to the vlog?
Desubscribe! Unsubscribe, yeah, whatever, don't follow her.
Okay.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you.
No, it's not ours.
कौन सा वाला प्रभु?
Second floor बोला?
Second floor.
or that one?
So it could be this or that.
This side. Yeah, because you could see Prabhupada from here.
Yeah, exactly.
So that.
I think one of these.
Let me get
So now someone is staying there?
Yeah.
ये नहीं पता कौन सा है.
But Prabhupada's picture is there?
Hare Krishna. We're just coming out from Matchless Gifts, and now we're taking the bus again, and we're going to Tompkins Square. Right? Yeah. We'll see you there. For Sankirtan. Yeah.
Find you.
We're here at the Tompkins Square Park. Look at right there. It's hard to see, but it says Hare Krishna tree. This is where Prabhupada used to sit, under this tree, and do Sankirtan. It's like here. Hare Krishna tree. Mukund. Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Radha Govinda Temple. Hare Krishna Temple.
Finally, we are here for lunch, Shadha. Can I keep these here for now?
Yeah, okay there. Prabhu, where is the restroom? Go straight down the stairs.
Krishna and Meena, say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
We're here for lunch in Brooklyn Temple. On the menu, we got jeera rice. We got a sambar with some rajma beans. And then we got some sort of pasta. I don't know yet because I didn't eat it yet. Then we got pizza. That's what this looks like. And then we got Arundhati Mataji here. Hare Krishna. And that's the lunch.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Oh my gosh, she's zooming. Their Lordship Sri Sri Radha Govinda Temple Room. Let's go. As soon as we go, we see Prabhupada. We gotta turn around and we see Prabhupada. That's the main altar, I guess. But the doors are not open because, of course, it's sleeping time for the deities. That's what the temple looks like. One other thing to notice is that it's near Vrindavan floor. Right now we're gonna do a little Sankirtan and then we're gonna do a little discourse and then we're gonna head out. Robot. But we just had our donuts. I'm done with mine, but you can see what I got. I got like the blueberry one. Yeah.
It's so good.
It was really good. It was really good. Well, which one did you get? Is it good?
Yeah.
What is it like?
It's like vanilla.
Vanilla? Okay, what did you get? That's Nithya.
Hey, they know who I am. I'm just not popular. Yeah, I got two.
Oh, she got the same one. Okay. Mukund, what did you get?
I got blueberry.
Blueberry. Did you like it?
Yes, a lot.
Okay, we both got the same one. We liked it. And so yeah, we're just going back now. We're going back to the temple. And then from there, we're gonna pick up our